Yes, one of the reasons why ang daming taong malungkot o ang daming taong hindi masaya ay dahil ang pinakaunang dahilan is they're focused on what they don't have in their life, yung wala sila. Doon sila nakatutok, yung wala sila. Number two, they're living too much in the past. Nabubuhay sila sa nakaraan. Paano ka ba naman makakapag-move on nun, di ba? The last one is they're fantasizing so much about the future. Doon na nakasentro yung araw-araw nila. Paano kung ano kaya yung mangyayari sa akin 10 years from now? Pakakasalan kaya niya ako? Magiging okay kaya yung buhay namin? Will I be rich? May ipapamana kaya ako sa mga anak ko? All sorts. Etc. etc. They're not really okay with what is and what is not in the present, in the moment.